Now I know you know most of the common skincare mistakes to avoid, such as don't pop your pimples, but here are 4 more skincare mistakes that you may still be making. The first one is skipping a moisturizer. Especially if you have oily skin, you may be tempted to skip the moisturizer. Moisturizer is not a step that you should skip. You might just need to choose a lighter option. Instead of a cream, you could go for a lotion. Or you could try an oil, which actually works really well with oily skin. The second skincare mistake is using too many active ingredients too often. Less is more when it comes to using actives. You should always start out by using a new active only once every few days and gradually increasing how often you're using it. And you shouldn't be adding new actives in until your skin has adjusted to the old active. Third one is not wearing sunscreen. I know some of you will be shocked that people still aren't wearing sunscreen, but I also know that some of you aren't wearing sunscreen. You definitely want to protect your skin, not just from signs of premature aging, but also for your skin health. And last but certainly not least, number 4 is expecting instant or really fast skincare results. Your skin is a very complex organ, and it's going to take some time for your skin to heal.